If you are tired of looking straight at your neighbor's porch, driveway, trash cans, parked cars, or every person walking past your yard, this list is for you. The right privacy tree can turn an exposed backyard into a private retreat, but the wrong one can get too big, too wide, too messy, or become a problem later. So today we are counting down 7 fast-growing privacy trees that can block the view fast. I'll tell you how fast they grow in height, how fast they spread in width, how big they get, when to plant them, and what to avoid. So, let's grow by zone. Number 7, Emerald Green Arborvitae. It is one of the best for small yards, fences, and narrow spaces. It grows about 1 to 2 feet per year in height and roughly 6 inches to 1 foot per year in width once established. At maturity, it usually reaches about 10 to 15 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. Planted in fall or early spring in full sun to part sun with well-draining soil, this is the tree to choose when you want privacy without planting something that turns into a giant. Avoid soggy soil, extreme drought, and planting them too close together. Number 6, skip laurel. It gives you a thick, leafy privacy hedge instead of a needle-type evergreen screen. It grows about 2 feet per year in height and about 1 foot per year in width once established. At maturity, it usually reaches about 10 to 18 feet tall and 5 to 7 feet wide. Plant it in fall or early spring in full sun to part shade with well-draining soil. This is a great choice if you want a lush, polished, evergreen wall that looks full year-round. Avoid soggy roots, harsh dry conditions, and letting it grow tall and thin. Light pruning helps it stay dense. Number 5, wax myrtle. It is a strong choice for warmer zones when you want privacy fast with a softer, more natural look. It can grow about 3 to 5 feet per year in height and width in good conditions. At maturity, it can reach about 20 to 25 feet tall and 8 to 10 feet wide, though it is often kept smaller with pruning. Plant it in fall or early spring in full sun to part sun. Wax myrtle is great for property lines, backyard edges, and informal privacy screens. Avoid tight spaces because this one can get wide. Number 4, Murray cypress. It is a fast evergreen that can create a tall privacy wall quickly. It grows about 3 to 4 feet per year in height and roughly 1 to 2 feet per year in width once established. At maturity, it often reaches about 30 to 40 feet tall and around 6 to 15 feet wide. Plant it in fall or early spring in full sun with well-draining soil. This is a good choice when you need height fast along a backyard, road, or property line. Avoid planting them too close together. Fast-growing trees need airflow, or they can thin out and struggle later. Number 3, Leyland Cypress. It is famous for fast privacy, and there is a reason people plant it. It can grow about 3 to 4 feet per year in height and about 1 to 2 feet per year in width when young. It has been known to reach about 60 to 70 feet tall and 12 to 20 feet wide in the right growing conditions. Plant it in fall or early spring in full sun with good airflow. This tree can block a view fast, but it is not for tiny spaces. Avoid crowding, wet soil, and planting too close to fences, homes, or other trees. Leyland cypress can have disease issues when stressed or overcrowded. Number 2, green giant arborvitae. It is one of the best overall privacy trees because it grows fast, stays evergreen, and creates a dense living wall. It can grow about 3 to 5 feet per year in height and around 1 to 2 feet per year in width in good conditions. It is commonly listed as a fast privacy tree that can grow around 3 feet or more per year and reach up to 60 feet or more. At maturity, it often reaches about 40 to 60 feet tall and 12 to 18 feet wide. Plant it in fall or early spring in full sun to part sun with well-draining soil. This is a great choice if you want a tall, clean green screen without constant pruning. Avoid planting it too close to your house, fence, or driveway. It may look small now, but this tree needs room. Number 1, hybrid willow. If your biggest goal is speed, hybrid willow is one of the fastest privacy trees you can plant. In the right conditions, it can grow about 6 feet or more per year in height and roughly 2 to 4 feet per year in width. At maturity, many hybrid willows can reach around 30 to 40 feet tall, depending on the type and growing conditions. Plant it in fall or early spring in a sunny area with enough space. This is the tree for someone who wants privacy fast and has room for a larger, faster growing screen. But here's the catch: hybrid willow is deciduous, so it loses its leaves in winter. It also needs space, water, and maintenance to keep it controlled. So before you plant, take your zone, measure your space, and think about how tall and wide that tree will actually get. If this helped, share it with someone who is tired of looking into their neighbor's yard. And if you want to know what grows best in your zone, make sure to follow along, because here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone, and helping you grow smarter wherever you live.